Welcome back to the channel, where we explore the most fascinating and valuable coins from around the world. Today we have two incredible United States quarters that you definitely don't want to miss. These coins may look ordinary at first glance, but they carry deep history, powerful symbolism, and the potential to surprise you with their hidden value. First, we take a closer look at the famous 2000 New Hampshire State Quarter, released by the United States Mint. This coin features the legendary Old Man of the Mountain, along with the bold state motto "Live Free or Die." It represents freedom, strength, and a piece of natural history that no longer exists today, making this coin even more special for collectors. Next, we explore another stunning state quarter that tells a completely different story through its design. From natural beauty to cultural identity, these coins are more than just pocket change. They are symbols of American heritage and artistry. And on the front of both coins, you'll find the iconic portrait of George Washington, reminding us of the long history behind U.S. currency. But here's the exciting part: some of these quarters, especially with rare mint marks, high grades, or unique errors, can be worth much more than their face value. That's why collectors around the world are constantly searching for them. So, are you ready to discover if you have one of these valuable coins in your pocket? Stay tuned, watch till the end, and don't forget to check your change. You might be holding a hidden treasure. Coin number 1, the 2003 Arkansas Statehood Quarter, is a remarkable and historically meaningful coin issued as part of the United States Mint's widely celebrated 50 State Quarters program. This ambitious program, which ran from 1999 to 2008, was designed to honor each of the 50 states in the order they joined the Union, making it one of the most popular and educational coin series ever released in American history. The Arkansas Quarter holds a special place in this series, not only because of its rich symbolism but also because it represents the 25th coin released, marking the halfway point of the entire program. Released on October 20, 2003, the coin commemorates Arkansas's admission to the Union in 1836, which is prominently reflected in the dual date, 1836-2003, engraved on the reverse side. The obverse of the 2003 Arkansas Quarter features the iconic portrait of George Washington, the first President of the United States. This design, originally created by sculptor John Flanagan in 1932, has remained a constant feature on U.S. quarters for decades. Washington is depicted facing left, with a calm and dignified expression that symbolizes leadership and stability. Surrounding the portrait are the inscriptions "Liberty" above, "In God We Trust" to the left, and the year 2003 below. The mint mark, either P for Philadelphia or D for Denver, appears to the right of Washington's ponytail. This side of the coin connects the modern state quarter series to the long tradition of U.S. coinage, maintaining continuity while allowing the reverse side to celebrate individual state identities. The reverse design of the Arkansas Quarter is where the coin truly comes to life, offering a visual narrative of the state's natural beauty, economic importance, and cultural heritage. At the center of the design is a diamond, a powerful symbol of Arkansas's nickname as the natural state and its unique status as the only U.S. state with an active diamond mine. This reference highlights Crater of Diamonds State Park, where visitors can search for real diamonds, making Arkansas globally recognized for this rare natural resource. Surrounding the diamond are 3 clusters of rice stalks, representing Arkansas's position as one of the leading rice producers in the United States. Rice farming plays a crucial role in the state's agricultural economy, and its inclusion in the design acknowledges the hardworking farmers who contribute to this industry. Above the diamond and rice stalks, a mallard duck is depicted in flight over a serene lake. This image symbolizes Arkansas's rich wildlife and its reputation as a major destination for duck hunting. The state's wetlands and rivers provide ideal habitats for migratory birds, making it a favorite location for hunters and nature enthusiasts alike. The combination of the duck, water, and agricultural elements creates a balanced and meaningful design that reflects both the natural environment and the economic backbone of Arkansas. The inscriptions Arkansas and EPLURIBUSUNUM are also included, completing the reverse design with a sense of national unity and state pride. The design of the Arkansas Quarter was created by artist Dorotha Scott and engraved by John Mercanti, one of the most respected engravers in the history of the United States Mint. The selection process for the design involved public participation, which was a key feature of the State Quarters program. Citizens were encouraged to submit ideas and vote on proposed designs, making the final choice a reflection of public opinion as well as artistic excellence. This collaborative approach contributed significantly to the program's popularity, as people felt personally connected to the coins representing their states. In terms of physical specifications, the 2003 Arkansas Quarter follows the standard composition used for circulating U.S. quarters. It has a diameter of 24.26 millimeters and weighs 5.67 grams. The coin is composed of a copper core surrounded by a clad layer of nickel, resulting in a composition of 91.67% copper and 8.33% nickel. The edge of the coin is reeded, which not only adds to its aesthetic appeal but also serves a functional purpose by preventing counterfeiting and wear. In addition to the standard circulation coins, the U.S. Mint also produced proof versions of the Arkansas Quarter, including both clad proofs and special silver proofs made of 90% silver. These proof coins were struck with greater precision and feature a mirror-like finish, making them highly desirable among collectors. The mintage of the 2003 Arkansas Quarter was extremely high, reflecting the widespread demand and popularity of the state quarters program. Hundreds of millions of coins were produced at both the Philadelphia and Denver mints, ensuring that the coin entered circulation across the entire United States. Because of this large mintage, the Arkansas Quarter is very common in circulated condition and is typically worth only its face value of 25 cents. However, this does not mean the coin lacks value or interest. For collectors, the condition of the coin plays a crucial role in determining its worth. Coins that have never been circulated and retain their original luster, known as uncirculated coins, can be worth significantly more, especially in higher grades such as MS66 or MS67. Error coins also add an exciting dimension to collecting the Arkansas Quarter. During the minting process, various errors can occur, resulting in unique and sometimes valuable coins. Examples of such errors include double die strikes, off-center strikes, clipped planchets, and die cracks. These errors are relatively rare compared to standard coins, and their value depends on the severity and visibility of the mistake. Collectors are always on the lookout for such unusual pieces, as they can sometimes sell for tens or even hundreds of dollars in the numismatic market. Another important aspect of the Arkansas Quarter is its role in promoting coin collecting among the general public. The State Quarters program introduced millions of people to the hobby of numismatics, encouraging them to search their pocket change and build complete collections of all 50 states. The Arkansas Quarter, with its distinctive and meaningful design, contributed to this excitement and helped inspire a new generation of collectors. For many people, collecting state quarters became a fun and educational activity, teaching them about the history, geography, and culture of each state. From a historical perspective, the Arkansas Quarter serves as a miniature tribute to the state's identity and achievements. Arkansas, admitted as the 25th state in 1836, has a rich history shaped by agriculture, natural resources, and cultural diversity. The symbols chosen for the coin, diamond, rice, and duck, capture the essence of what makes Arkansas unique. These elements are not just decorative, they tell a story about the state's economy, environment, and way of life. This storytelling aspect is what makes the State Quarters program so special, as each coin becomes a small piece of history that can be held in the palm of your hand. In the modern coin market, the 2003 Arkansas Quarter continues to be widely available, making it an accessible entry point for new collectors. While it may not be considered a rare coin, its historical significance and attractive design ensure that it remains a valuable addition to any collection. Collectors often seek out high-grade examples or complete sets of state quarters, which can increase the overall value and appeal of their collections. The Arkansas Quarter, being part of such a popular series, holds enduring interest and relevance. In conclusion, the 2003 Arkansas Statehood Quarter is much more than just a piece of currency. It is a carefully designed work of art that reflects the heritage, economy, and natural beauty of Arkansas. From the iconic portrait of George Washington on the obverse to the symbolic imagery on the reverse, every detail of the coin has been thoughtfully crafted to convey meaning and pride. Although it is common in circulation and typically worth its face value, its true value lies in its historical importance and its role in one of the most successful coin programs ever created. Whether you are a seasoned collector or just beginning your journey into the world of coins, the Arkansas Quarter offers a fascinating glimpse into American history and the artistry of modern coin design. Coin number 2, the 2000 New Hampshire State Quarter, is one of the most historically rich and visually meaningful coins ever released by the United States Mint under the famous 50 State Quarters program. This program, which ran from 1999 to 2008, was designed to honor each U.S. state with a unique reverse design, and it quickly became one of the most successful coin series in American history. The New Hampshire Quarter, released as the fourth coin of the year 2000, proudly represents a state known for its rugged natural beauty, independent spirit, and deep-rooted American values. The dual date 1788-2000 marks the year New Hampshire became the 9th state to join the Union, and the year this commemorative coin entered circulation, connecting past and present in a single piece of currency. On the obverse side of the coin, we see the iconic portrait of George Washington, the first President of the United States. This design, created by John Flanagan, has been a consistent feature on the quarter since 1932, symbolizing stability, leadership, and national identity. Surrounding Washington's profile are the inscriptions United States of America, Liberty, In God We Trust, and Quarter Dollar. The P mint mark visible on your coin indicates that it was struck at the Philadelphia Mint, one of the oldest and most important minting facilities in the United States. Coins from this mint are produced in massive quantities for everyday use, which explains why many of these quarters are still commonly found in circulation today. The reverse side of the New Hampshire Quarter is where the true story unfolds. It features the famous Old Man of the Mountain, a natural rock formation that once stood proudly in the White Mountains of New Hampshire. This formation, which resembled the profile of a human face looking outward, became a powerful state symbol and a source of pride for generations. Although the actual rock formation tragically collapsed in 2003, just a few years after this coin was released, its image lives on forever through this design. This makes the coin not only a tribute but also a memorial, preserving a lost natural wonder for future generations. Beneath the rock formation is the bold and inspiring state motto, "Live free or die." This phrase is one of the most powerful mottos among all U.S. states and reflects the fearless and independent mindset of New Hampshire's people. It originated during the American Revolutionary period and continues to symbolize the importance of freedom and personal liberty. The combination of the Old Man of the Mountain and this motto creates a deeply emotional and patriotic design that resonates strongly with collectors and history enthusiasts alike. The artistic design of this coin was created by Ioannis Antonios, whose work successfully captured both the physical beauty and symbolic meaning of New Hampshire. The engraving details are sharp and expressive, showcasing the rocky texture of the mountain and the clean lettering of the inscriptions. This level of craftsmanship makes the coin visually appealing even under close inspection, and it stands out as one of the most memorable designs in the entire State Quarters series. From a technical standpoint, the 2000 New Hampshire Quarter follows the standard specifications of modern U.S. quarters. It has a diameter of 24.26 millimeters and weighs approximately 5.67 grams. The coin is made of a copper core with a nickel outer layer, giving it durability for circulation while maintaining its silvery appearance. The edge of the coin is reeded, a traditional feature that helps prevent counterfeiting and adds to its classic look. In terms of mintage, the New Hampshire Quarter was produced in very large numbers, with hundreds of millions of coins struck at both the Philadelphia P and Denver D mints. Because of this, most coins found in everyday use are not rare and typically hold only their face value. However, this does not mean the coin has no collector value. Coins that are in uncirculated condition, especially those with strong luster and minimal marks, can be worth significantly more. High-grade examples, particularly those graded MS66 or higher, are sought after by serious collectors. Additionally, error coins can dramatically increase the value of this quarter. Minting errors such as off-center strikes, double die varieties, clip planchets, or unusual surface defects can make a coin rare and desirable. While these errors are uncommon, they can turn an ordinary quarter into a valuable collectible worth far more than its original value. This is why collectors always recommend carefully checking your coins. You never know when you might find something special. The cultural and historical importance of the New Hampshire Quarter goes beyond its design and value. It represents a time when coin collecting became a nationwide hobby, bringing together people of all ages. The State Quarters program encouraged millions of Americans to learn about history, geography, and art through coins, making pieces like this both educational and meaningful. In conclusion, the 1788 New Hampshire State Quarter with the P mint mark is much more than just a 25-cent coin. It is a symbol of American heritage, a tribute to a lost natural landmark, and a reflection of the enduring value of freedom. While most examples may not be rare in circulated condition, their historical significance and beautiful design make them an essential part of any coin collection. Whether you are collecting for value, history, or personal interest, this coin stands as a timeless reminder of New Hampshire's legacy and the broader story of the United States.